Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair fell 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 6.4% in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The gold rose 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. The RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.4% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices rebounded after settling at their lowest level in more than a month, as investors awaited an interest rate decision from the Federal Reserve's Policy Setting Committee. Japan's government hopes the central bank will take necessary measures appropriately in light of the yen's recent sharp falls and the rising cost of living, Chief Cabinet Secretary Hirokazu Matsuno said. The Litecoin price is in a downward trend as the price broke below the current support at $60. The bears have also undercut the previous low at $54. The upward movement was limited by the 21-day line SMA.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US initial jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT, Australia's employment change at 01:30 GMT, the Eurozone's labour cost at 0900 GMT. Australia's unemployment rate will be released at 01:30 GMT, the US housing starts at 12:30 GMT, the UK's monetary policy summary at 1100 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.